Hey there, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to spot for stylish inspiration and design ideas that make your home feel like you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into the hottest home decor trends that are making waves in 2025. So 2025 is saying a big, bold yes to color. Forget playing it safe. Saturated hues are popping up in kitchens, living rooms, and even bathrooms. From jewel tone sofas to really brightly painted cabinetry, color is being used not just as an accent, but legit as the main character. It's all about self-expression and creating joyful, personalized spaces. Don't be afraid to go beyond neutrals this year. It looks like so far we're already in June of 2025. Color is confidence. Number 2, deep moody colors. Now, on the flip side, deep moody tones are also having a major moment. So think forest green, navy blue, charcoal, all of those really deep kind of tones that put you in that chill vibe. These shades add instant sophistication and create an enveloping, cozy atmosphere. They work beautifully in bedrooms, libraries, and believe it or not, even dining rooms. Anywhere you want to make a statement that feels both dramatic and intimate. Till my shadow turns to sun rays and on and on. Now here's one I don't know if you know about, but let's talk about it. Nancy Meyers' style is definitely in so far in 2025. Now if you don't know what I mean, think The Holiday or Something's Gotta Give, those two movies. Nancy Meyers' style interiors are coming back in a big way. This look is all about timeless elegance, layered neutrals, and really relaxed luxury. Some people even say coastal grandma is this style. It's that home decor style that you will see in a lot of the movies that we watch. It's very hard to explain, but if you look at the pictures, you will get it. So picture soft, slip-covered sofas, warm kitchens, and lots of books and personal touches. It's a style that feels lived in, still very elegant but comfortable, and undeniably charming. So now let's take a look at warm and dark wood. Listen, the time is here to say goodbye to cool toned grays. Warm and dark woods are stealing the spotlight in 2025, we have noticed. Whether it's walnut cabinetry, mahogany coffee tables, or really rich oak flooring, these materials bring depth and character into the home. You know, at one point it was all about that grayish looking wood and a whitewash wood, but that is definitely starting to go ahead and fade away in the background because people are wanting that rich, luxurious wood look back. They ground the space and offer a natural contrast to brighter accents, giving your decor that elevated, timeless feel. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Of course, maximalism, one of my favorites. Minimalism has its fans, and it actually has a pretty large fan base, but maximalism is here for the bold-hearted. It's about mixing patterns, showcasing collections, layering textures, and embracing visual interest. This isn't clutter, it's curated personality. So think statement gallery walls, eclectic furniture, and vibrant textiles that really tell your story in every corner and every space in your room. So now let's get into some vintage pieces. So sustainability meets style with the rise of vintage and antique decor. Whether you're hunting at flea markets or shopping secondhand online stores, garage sales, even the Goodwill. Incorporating vintage pieces adds soul and history to your home. I always say there's something about homes that look brand new and everything in it is brand new and it looks like you just opened a website and ordered everything on the first page that popped up. But there's something about incorporating pieces that have some age to them, some history to them. Plus, it's a fantastic way to get one-of-a-kind furniture that brings authenticity and charm to modern spaces. Wallpapered rooms. Now, wallpaper is no longer just for accent walls. We're beyond that at this point. At this time, it's taking over entire rooms. That's what we've been seeing in 2025. From bold florals to really subtle textures, wallpaper is being used to define spaces and create atmosphere. In 2025, it's all about going big. Ceiling to floor patterns that make a room feel immersive, like you're stepping into something. It makes it stylish, and of course, it's full of personality. Now here's one that I think most of you probably already have heard of, and it is cozy minimalist. When most people think of minimalist, they think of really, sterile, almost a hospital setting. Nothing there, it just feels very cold. The cozy minimalism is the happy medium between simplicity while still giving your home a cozy, warm feeling. It's pared down, but it's not stark. So think soft fabrics, warm lighting, and a neutral color palette that still feels really inviting. This trend blends clean lines with lived-in comfort, and it's perfect for anyone who wants their space to feel both calm and welcoming. Okay friends, and there you have it, trends that are redefining home decor in 2025. These are trends that we have been seeing making a lot of waves. So whether you're drawn to moody tones, vintage finds, or bright maximalist rooms, there's always something here for every style and personality. Let me know in the comments which trend that you are most excited to try, if any. And don't forget to check the description box for hand-picked Amazon finds to help you bring these looks into your home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe so you never miss a decor tip. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.